Probability of simple events. After watching this video, you will tell whether each event is impossible, unlikely, as likely as not, likely, or certain. And you will be able to find the probability of a simple event and its complement. Before starting with probability, you need to know some terminologies. An experiment is an activity involving chance in which results are observed. Each observation of an experiment is a trial and each result is an outcome. A set of one or more outcomes is an event. A sample space is the set of all possible outcomes for an experiment. Let's see what is probability. Probability of an event measures the likelihood that the event will occur. How you write probability of an event is P bracket event. Always probability is a measure between 0 and 1. You can represent probability as a fraction, decimal, or as percentage. Let's see how to find probability of an event. It's equal number of outcomes in the event over number of outcomes in the sample space. I will show you an important chart. As I told you earlier, probability measure between 0 and 1, where 0 is called impossible, which means there is no chance for that event to occur, and 1 means there are 100% that the event will occur, which is called certain. Now, if there are 50% chance or half the chance that the event will occur, we say as likely as not. If it's between half and 1, it is likely, and if it is between 0 and half, it is unlikely to occur. Let's see one question. Determine whether each event is impossible, unlikely, as likely as not, likely, or certain. Picking a number less than 15 from a jar with papers labeled from 1 to 12. So, the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, etc. till 12. Now, what you need to do is you need to find the number less than 50. If you look at these numbers, all of them are less than 15. So, as per the chart, there is 100% possibility. So, it is certain. Let's see another one. Picking a number that is divisible by 5 from a jar with papers labeled from 1 to 12. Again, write the sample space, which is 1 to 12, and find the number that is divisible by 5. So here 5 and 10 are divisible by 5, which means only 2 numbers are divisible by 5 among 12 numbers. So as per the chart, it is very unlikely to occur because only 2 out of 12 are divisible by 5. So it is unlikely. Let's see another one. Picking a number that is divisible by 2 from a jar with papers labeled from 1 to 12. Again, write the sample space and find the numbers that are divisible by 2. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are divisible by 2, which means half of them are divisible by 2. As per the chart, if it is half, then it is as likely as not. So it is as likely as not. Let's see one more question. picking a number greater than 15 from a jar with papers labeled from 1 to 12. So write the sample space and find the number that are greater than 15. Is there a number in the sample space that are greater than 15? No, which means there is 0% chance that event will occur. It means it is impossible. Let's find a probability. What is the probability of rolling an even number on a standard number cube? So first step is find the sample space for a standard number cube. There are 6 possible outcomes in a standard number cube, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Second step is find the number of ways to roll an even number. Among these, the even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. That means the event can occur in 3 ways. Third step is find the probability of rolling an even number. How will you find the probability? Probability of an event is number of outcomes in the event over number of outcomes in the sample space. So probability of even number, which is equal to 3 over 6, which is equal to 1 over 2. So probability of rolling an even number is 1 over 2. Let's see what is complement of an event. The complement of an event is the set of all outcomes in the sample space that are not included in the event. For example, in the event of rolling a 3 on a number cube, the complement is rolling any number other than 3, which means the complement is rolling a 1, 2, 4, 5 or 6. The equation is probability of an event plus probability of complement is equal to 1. Let's see a question related to complement. There are 2 red jacks in a standard deck of 52 cards. What is the probability of not getting a red jack if you select one card at random? Here red jack is given, but you need to find probability of not getting a red jack, which means you need to find the probability. Let's write the equation, which is probability of event plus probability of complement equal to 1. So in this scenario, it is probability of red jack plus probability of not a red jack equal 1. So which is probability of not red jack equal 1 minus probability of red jack. What is probability of red jack? Which is equal to 2 out of 52, because it's given 2 red jacks in a standard deck of 52 cards. Now you can simplify this one, which is 1 over 26. So substitute here, which is equal to 1 minus 1 over 26. Now you need to make the denominator same. So it will be 26 minus 1 over 26, which is equal to 25 over 26. I hope you understand probability of an event and its complement. Thank you for watching.